This workpiece needs to be machined on 5 axes. Let's take a look at the process arrangement. Precautions for operating the machine. I program it myself and copy it myself. The 3-axis is to assist the 5-axis. For 3 axes, the first process has been completed. Let's take a look. If this material, its length and width are both 200. The height size is 85. Then the bottom surface, and this area? It's all processed in place. Everywhere else there is a margin. Okay, let's analyze the process later. Why 5 axes? This place needs to be processed in place. It's precautions. Now the 5-axis side is doing a clip position. Cutting fluid off. Now this is dynamic cutting. Let's go to the computer and take a look. Process analysis of this product. Let's take a look at the characteristics of the product first. It's just such a structure. Then how did I arrange the process arrangement? Tails, and then here it's a copy. Lock screw. How to fix it? Any attentive friend can see that. On my side, this circle is full of M4 teeth, right? If I fix it here, I used these 3 M4 teeth. I didn't bite my teeth. I punched the bottom hole of 3.3. Is a fine hole. Then reverse. There are 3 bumps to fix it with. You can see the reverse here. Is there 3 bosses fixed here? After fixing, then I will lock it with a lock screw. Lock the screw for the M4. Why don't I have these 4 slots in front of me? I finished it for him directly. Why should the finishing be in place here? Because it also has 5 axes, it has limitations. It's my machine. It's maximum travel. It's a axis maximum travel. Positive is 110 degrees. Then the negative is also 110 degrees. Like what? I now turn it to the maximum limit of 110 degrees. Select rotation. Input 110. This is my biggest itinerary yet. Okay, I'll swing it over. As far as rotation is concerned, and let's look at these 4 slots. Let's look at this one first. When I turn this place like this, in fact, if I take the knife on my side, you can make it here. This is the first knife. If I were to do it inside, does he still have an upside down buckle here? Do I still have to pick up the knife? If you pick it up here, I can't finish taking 2 knives. We turn around. We can only connect it here. Then, turn over there. This is the 3rd knife. Turn this way. So, it's tedious. Directly finish these 4 with him. Turn around here when you're in place. I will process it directly. It's normal here, it's easy to do. So, there are some details. Think about it before you do it. The fixture here has been milled. I'll just buckle it in. The other way around, there are 3 bosses, right? Align. Lock the screws. Just try it. Maybe some of my friends like programming. I don't like copying machines. But it doesn't work for me. Program it yourself and copy it yourself. Although it is a little hard. But every day is really fulfilling. Especially in areas where you don't know yourself. Because I used to know 3-axis and 4-axis programming. No 5 axes. I don't think there are shortcuts in technology. Just do. Make progress a little bit every day. After 1 year, we evaluate the technology. Let's take a look. What is the current state of product processing? I'll turn off the cutting fluid first. Feed it slowly. Then, at present, the product belongs to a second rough. After I finish my second rough, I'll make all the holes on the side for it. Then the words behind. Remove the screws after finishing. It's one shot. One thing 5-axis fixed axis is a basic skill. The more solid the basic skills are, it will get easier later. I also plan to take some proofs in the future. But if you ask me for proofing, must not be in a hurry. In fact, the price is easy to say.